Hey guys, my name is Kern and welcome back to Octane Street, the road here on YouTube that never ends. And today I'm doing a 3-month review on my $20 aftermarket shift knob from, you guessed it, Amazon. Now, if you guys haven't seen me install this shift knob about 3 months ago, first of all, I highly doubt it because it got a little over 2,000 views. Hello. But if you guys haven't seen that video, it'll be in the top left or top right of this video in a card. So go ahead and watch that one after you watch this video. But yeah, the things that I'm going to be talking about is the durability of this product, what I like about it, maybe what I don't like about it, and then overall, is a $20 aftermarket shift knob from Amazon worth it? Is it worth spending that $20 on, especially in trying times like these? So to get right into it, in terms of durability, I drive an automatic transmission vehicle, so that means I'm not constantly using my shifter. I usually just slap it in drive and I go. So because of that, even though I've been using the shift knob daily for over 3 months now, it means that it doesn't have as much wear or nearly as much wear as maybe one of you would in your manual transmission vehicle. So take what I say with that into consideration. Now, that being said, this shift knob is just as sturdy, if not sturdier somehow, than the day I installed it. It feels extremely solid. It goes exactly where I want it to go. There's no wiggle, there's no wobble. I did tighten it down very nicely when I installed it. So that's definitely playing a big factor, but there's no shake, there's no rumble, there's no vibrations. And it's actually a perfect length for my vehicle. I really enjoy this length. So in terms of durability, again, the only thing that I'm concerned about, I mentioned in the installation video, is underneath here. I'll try and get a picture for you guys. It's hard to see, but there's little tiny welds that actually hold the base of the shift knob onto the actual design of the shift knob, okay? And there's only 2 small welds there. I don't know how strong those welds are. I don't want to test it or push it because this is my main shift knob. I don't want to break it. But that is something to consider if you guys are driving a manual transmission vehicle, because those welds might not head up if you're banging through the gears, you know, racing the homies on 34th Street, right? So definitely something to look out for. And probably the only flaw or con I have with this shift knob, the weaving, the materials, they all feel really good in the hand. It does not feel cheap, and despite it being only $20, you would easily think this is a $45 plus product here. So I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. I love it myself, and it just looks amazing and feels amazing in the hand. So some of the things I like about it, like I said, is the build quality. $20, you can't go wrong. But also my armrest comes right out here. So what I like doing now is I drive a lot more with my left hand. Usually I drive with my right hand. Those of you in manual transmission vehicles, you have to drive with your left hand because, you know, you need to switch gears with your right hand. So this is kind of preparing me for that moment when I do decide to get my manual transmission vehicle, whenever that is. I'm still learning, as you guys can see from the series on my channel. But this shift knob has been making me drive a lot more with my left hand, which is nice, you know, because I get to prop my elbow on my armrest and I just rest my hand on here. So it's just a really comfortable feeling. The height of it, I'm a pretty big dude, so my arm probably weighs like 200 pounds on its own. So the fact that I could rest it here all the time while driving comfortably says a lot, you know, to the rigidity of this $20 product. So really happy with that. Really comfortable stance for me. It's given me kind of a new way to drive, and I'm glad that, you know, my left hand is becoming a little bit more useful. So that's always a good thing too. So that about sums up what I like about this product. Just to reiterate, the design, the build quality, how it looks, feels, and kind of the comfort that it brings. It's not obstructive in any way. That could change depending on your vehicle and where your shift knob is. But yeah, it is a pretty long one, but I think it looks perfect in the Veloster. If you guys own a Veloster and have the stock shift knob, do yourself a favor. It's the easiest mod you could do. It's one of the best you could do. It's something you use all the time, your shift knob. So go ahead and slap one of these in. Now, I do have an affiliate link in the description below if you guys want to go ahead and use that. I don't know how much I get back if you guys purchase using that link. It's a $20 product. Use the link, don't use it. It doesn't matter to me. Just, I really do highly recommend this product because of how it's been doing for me. And that kind of brings us to our final question of, is this $20 aftermarket shift knob worth it? And I think the answer is pretty clear based on what I've told you guys today. This is not a paid product placement. I kind of wish it was. A company of the shift knob, by all means, send me a message. I'll be glad to work with you. But this shift knob is definitely worth the price. Probably the best $20 I think I've ever spent on Amazon. And that's saying a lot considering my shopping cart and my purchase history, right? So really great shift knob. Would I buy it again? 100%. Even if this one broke tomorrow, I'd probably go and pick up another one. Like, that's how much I stand by this shift knob. Now, it is the first aftermarket shift knob I have tried. So if you guys do want to see more shift knob reviews, be sure to let me know. That's something I could incorporate and implement into the channel. But yeah, hopefully you guys pick this up for yourself if you don't have one. I can see my girl's arm struggling here in the background, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. Thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful and informative some way, shape, or form. But that's all for today's video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys enjoyed what you saw, as well as that notification bell so that you guys could ride shotgun with me on the next video. See y'all later. Peace.